Hey everyone, this is Shawn Hayes, and welcome to another episode of Money Control TV. And so if you're tuning in, it's because you want to know how to make money from free stuff. Absolutely, yes. How to make money from free stuff. And so, hey, before we get started, before we dive in, make sure that you go ahead and hit that notification button so you know when I go live, that you be the first one to know when I upload a new video. But first, hit the subscribe button. And so, on this channel, we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sow it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so, again, this live or this video is talking about how to make money from free stuff, because if you owe people, they want their money back. So go ahead, let me share my screen. And so I heard that people are making tons and tons of money to pay off debt by selling free stuff. And so one of the sites that I want to share with you today is Craigslist. Yes, absolutely, Craigslist, that they have a free category in here that, hey, they're giving away free stuff, and then you can turn around whether you repurpose it and then sell it on another platform, whether you pick it up and everything is just great and you sell it for a cost, hey, free that you can make money from. And so again, go in here and just do free. I'm going to type in free, and a lot of things came up in the free category, like this swivel chair, absolutely free. Maybe if you're into repurposing something, maybe you can just take this out and maybe you can change the fabric on it and then sell it, and make a profit, at least a 50% profit. I mean, I'm looking at all this stuff that is free, curbside appeal, card tables, and four chairs. Let's look at that. Let me look at that. Let me see my screen. My mouse. Look, all this stuff that is free. So let's go on here let me click on here, and it says card table and 4 chairs, Cincinnati, right? It says a card table with 4 matching chairs, tables and chairs study, small ribbon fabric of the top of the table. Well, if you're really good, hey, you probably can spray paint these chairs, maybe recover that table and then sell it on another platform, maybe on OfferUp or Let's Go. You guys, I also have an OfferUp course. I'm going to put the link in the description where how I am able to sell successfully on OfferUp, that I was able to pay off some debt, build that savings, but I will put that in the description. And so you guys, don't miss the opportunity to, when somebody offers you something free, that maybe you can go ahead and make some money. I'm going to stop sharing. And so again, here we go. Stop sharing. I'm back, you guys. And so again, that is one way that you can make money from free stuff. Go over to Craigslist, put in free, and look in your area where something is free. People are probably like, you know what, I'm not even going to fool with it. I'm just going to put it to the curb. A lot of people going around doing trash day and picking up recycled things. And so you can take that money, bring it back into the house, pay off those debt monkeys, jumpstart that savings, or invest in that business. So I will see you on the next video. I hope this is helpful, and let's go ahead and make that money from free stuff.